Hey, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Rackabuff 900 back with another video. So I figure the sun is out, almost 60 degrees. I come outside. Let me get my drain out, wash it, and everything. And this is what I get. I had to come out here with the charger. See, I got the battery charger right here. I got a charger now. I got a battery charger tender maintainer. So what's going on now in here? See the red light? Yeah, I got hooked up. Just got to run on the side. Disconnect from right there. So it's charging. I'll get back to you in a second. Okay, y'all. Make sure y'all get one of these here. You need this. All right? Definitely need this. It's a lifesaver. Boosting my bike up right now. Like I said, see the light? It's red. When the turn green is charged, I got a portable power bank, luckily, so I'm able to charge my bike up. All right? I'm down to, it was like 66, 65, it's at 59, but hey, it's working, it's charging. See, take the house plugs, the USB-A, USB-C. So it's charging, and then I'll be able to start it. See, I got my link here. I always keep it laid right here, hooked up to the battery. So I want to wash it, so once I get going, I'll get back at y'all, all right?
A few moments later.
All right, y'all. So I'm going to see if it's going to start. I know I ain't giving much time. I just want to see if it's going to start. Because I got to turn this off first. Okay. Let me see if it'll start. Unlock it first, just in case. Probably not enough. Oh, there you go. That was enough. That was enough to start it. Tell you, boy. Lifesaver right there. Gotta get you one of these. That'll help too, right there. Yeah.
Yeah. I said, we're going to get the motorcycle out of the storage. You know.
Take it for a spin.
Yeah. You know?
Around. Take this in the house and charge it. Alright. Yeah, I can take this and go by front of my house and wash it. I'm gonna go wash this. Yeah, I'm gonna take it over by my building. So see, take this here. See, this here is connected to the battery, so I charge. So now if I want to use my cell phone, if I need an extra charger, see, you got cell phone charger right there. So now I just take this here and I just leave it sitting there if I need it.
So, huh?
Yeah, I gotta wash it. See how dirty it was? Because when it was at the dealer for 4 months, I gotta wash it. Then I gotta install. I gotta put a new seat on, one big seat, and I got some other stuff to put on it. So that's what I'm getting ready to do.
Yeah.
So yeah.